Learn how to install the print head. Open the print head locking cover. Peel the protective tape off the print head L. Do not touch. Install the print head L to the left side. Peel the protective tape off the print head R. Do not touch. Install the print head R to the right side. Close the print head locking cover completely by pressing it down until you hear a click. Push in the joint buttons firmly until you hear a click. In the case shown right, try locking firmly again. Close the top cover. The procedure for installing the print head is now complete.